Hello, fellow Carbon Cub builders. Bill Johnson here from Johnson Aviation, a Carbon Cub service center. And we are working on an FX3. You can see here I have the panel laid out. Behind the panel is the false panel that you can use to fit up the boot cowl. And I'm only showing this to illustrate how we're doing the panel slightly different. You can see how the curve at the lower part of the panel is more flowing. We did extend the panel down just a little bit, and I'll tell you why in just a moment. And again on the other side, this panel is upside down because I wanted to be able to lay it flat. So let me go over here and show you what the panel will look like. So here's a panel. Some features are that we wanted to put all of our avionics bus breakers on one bus, easy to find, all in a line. Our autopilot control head. And I wanted to put all of the breakers across the main bus breakers across the top of the G3X. That was the reason we needed to bring the G3X down slightly. It makes a very clean installation and very easy to find the breakers. We left the traditional switches at the top. A couple of features, we're going to have a horn on this and smoke as well. We put a GNC 355 on this side, put some controls here, placards, and ignition switch. And we're doing an EarthX battery on the firewall, which I will talk more about in another video, but that is the battery fault light so that you can see if the battery is overheating. Of course, the left and right ignition and the N number. So this is a little different than the stock FX panel. We're having Aerotronics cut the panel for us, label the panel, and do some of the wiring, and then I will finish it up here in the shop. Again, you can see the dramatic difference between what we are doing and what a standard FX panel would look like. And in addition, this is cut out of 80 thousandths aluminum, and I will be putting a ridge around this to attach to the boot cowl and permanently attach that angle to the boot cowl and have this screw in from the front so the panel can be removed in the future if needed. Feel free to call with any questions.